Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 S550 4MATIC. This one's a Selenite Gray Metallic. Underneath the hood is a 4.7 V8 twin turbo with 449 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. This one does come with the sports package with a sports exterior and interior, 19-inch split 5-spoke AMG wheels, a crystal gray seashell gray leather interior with a Designo gray wood trim, panorama sunroof, warmth and comfort package with front and rear heated seats with rear seats adjustments, spoiler, S550 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of all-season floor mats, driver's assistance package with speed limit assist, active blind spot assist, active lane assist, Distronic Plus, pre-safe, premium 1 package with Burmeister sound system, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, wood and leather steering wheel, ambient lights, navigation, surround view camera with sensors, dual climate controls, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, hard keys for media display, sports and comfort mode. This S-Class has 33,513 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this S550 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.